Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that is up here in the corner. So on the pound dollar, today is the last trading day of the month, so we're definitely going to find out today whether this candle closes near its highs or whether it makes like a little bit of a pin bar candle. I still think it is most likely in a wave 3 and that it's most likely just going to keep on going up, most likely taking out these highs and making a big old wave A or possibly a big wave 1. Either way, whether it's an A or a 1 definitely doesn't matter to me because either way I'm looking for longs in an uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have a nice impulsive uptrend. Still looks like the 1 to me. This looks like a corrective wave 2, and it still looks to me like we're in a wave 3. I still think this is more likely to just keep making higher highs, higher lows, eventually going up and finishing a 3, making a 4 and a 5 of A or possibly 1. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you will notice that we've been making higher lows this whole time up, and even right now we have not broken any lows to the downside yet. I definitely could picture this going down and breaking some lows and maybe even making like a 1 and a 2 of 3 before it actually goes up and makes that wave 3 of 3. That would actually look pretty normal if that is what it's doing. But the fact that it hasn't broken any structure yet does make me think that it also could just keep on going up, and it's not even bouncing off a fib level, so I still think it's more likely to just keep on trending up. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we had a nice impulsive move up right here, so I put my Fibonacci. Most likely this is all just a correction. It kind of looks like it could be forming an ABC. We do have some dollar news today, so if at the news it does make a big impulsive engulfing candle, I would definitely take that as a long opportunity. All the higher time frames are still telling me the trend is up, so I'm still primarily looking for longs and an uptrend. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, what we have here is definitely a very overlapping pattern. It definitely does not look like a trend to me. It looks like a correction, maybe even like an A, B, C, D, E. Either way, like I said, this is not the shape of a trend, it's the shape of a correction, which definitely does make me think that it may end up bouncing off one of these fib levels at the news today, taking out structure to the upside, and most likely just continuing the uptrend. Like I said, all the higher time frames are still telling me the trend is up. Shorter time frames, really, I should just be looking for longs in an uptrend until I get some sort of confirmation on these longer time frames that the trend is not up anymore. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.